Dear students, welcome to your VBPSE learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I am your English teacher. You all know that we are studying lesson 4, Welcome to the Forest, in our English word book. Today we will do some exercises in the word book only. Fill the exercises in the word book and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Dear students, start the work. Dear students, you all know that we are starting from our English word book. Lesson 4, Welcome to the Forest. Today we will do some more exercises in our English word book. So, write down classwork. Put the date, that is 26 August 2021. Students, mention date and classwork in your English word books. Now, we will do exercise A. Fill in the blanks using suitable sound words from the given box. One has been done for you. These are some words in the box: splash, cracked, growled, boomed, gumbled, splat, third, rumbling. Now, one has been done for us. Number 1. Ruchi's bag fell on the floor with a thud. So, it is 1. Rehan heard a loud splash. Splash. It is 2nd. Splash. When Ruhi jumped into the pool. The hungry, third one. The hungry dogs growled. It is third one. At a kitten. Fourth one. The egg dropped to the floor with a splat. This is fourth one. Now, fifth one. The kids dash grumbled when their colors were taken away. Grumble is fifth one. Sixth one. The ice crackled. Beneath Kiara. The ice cracked, not crackled. Okay? It is sixth one. Seventh one. A loudspeaker boomed. Hello, can everyone hear me? Boomed. So, this is the seventh one. Eighth one. Jane could hear her stomach rumbling. Eighth one. These are the fill-ups which we have filled. Splash, growled, splat, grumbled, cracked, boomed, rumbling. Now we will come to the second exercise. That is exercise B. Match the given sounds with the things that make them. Whistle, wind. So you will write 1 over here. Second one, rustle. Rustle is D1, leaves. 2. Crackle. A. Fire. It is third one. Gurgle. B. It is water. Fourth one. Crack. C. Twigs. So it is fifth one. Rumble. Cloud. So it is sixth one. Dear students, in the match the following, don't do it in a crisscross manner. Okay, you are not at all a small nursery kid now. Don't do it in a crisscross manner. Do it in the numbering system. Okay. Now exercise C, we will not do it. So put a cross over here. So today we have done 2 exercises in our book only. Fill these 2 exercises in the word book and then share it to me in the WhatsApp group. Your homework is learn the fill in the blanks and match the following from exercise from the English word book lesson 4. Welcome to the forest. That's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you.